Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve an exercise of substituting a single word for the group of words, which is also known as one word substitution. One who is all powerful is known as omnipotent. One who knows everything is omniscient. OMNISCIENT. One who eats only plants and their products is known as vegetarian. An assembly of viewers and listeners is known as audience. A book containing meaning of words is called dictionary. One who makes speeches is called speaker. One who betrays the country is called traitor. One who is faithful to one's country is called patriot. A crime, an act or omission punishable by law is known as offense. A person to be examined in court of justice is called witness. Moving on to exercise number 2. The one who believes in God is known as atheist. People working in the same office or department is known as colleague. One who cannot read or write is illiterate. Medical examination of a body after death is called post-mortem. Marriage to many wives by one man is called polygamy. Killing oneself is suicide. One who is present everywhere is omnipresent. A widespread disease affecting many people at the same time is epidemic. Of course, COVID-19 is pandemic. A government of the people, for the people and by the people is called democracy. A person who walks while sleeping is known as somnambulist. 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 Yet another exercise before you, which will help you in preparation of your exams. One who knows everything is omniscient. Murder of a man is homicide. Medical examination of a body after death, we have done it, post-mortem. Having two wives or husbands at the same time is bigamy. In case you have more than one, we have seen it above, it is polygamy. A match in which neither party wins is a draw. The match is draw, ऐसा हम कहते हैं. A child born after his father's death is known as posthumous. A place where games are organized is known as a stadium. A person appointed by both the parties to settle the dispute is arbitrator. An act for which punishment is prescribed by law is punishable. A child whose parents are dead is orphan. A woman whose husband is dead is widow. Let me tell you, where it is written a husband whose wife is dead is a widower. तो वो आदमी जिसकी पत्नी मर जाती है उसको विडोवर कहते हैं, और वो पत्नी जिसका हस्बैंड मर जाता है उसको विडो कहते हैं. A right of use over the property of another is easement right. A suit requiring determination of title is a declaratory suit. A person who is head of a joint family, joint Hindu family, is known as karta. Honest, intent free from taint or fraud or fraudulent design is good faith. One who always thinks of one's own interest is egoist. Medical examination of dead body is post-mortem. Animal with 4 feet is quadruped. Quad means 4. Government by one is autocracy. Work for which no salary is paid is honorary. A native of another country is a foreigner or alien. At one and the same time, you may call it as simultaneous. एक साथ दो कुछ भी होना is simultaneous. Person who has command over several languages is multilingual. A decision from which one cannot go back is irrevocable. Marry more than one wife at a time is polygamy. It can also be marrying more than one husband. A remedy which never fails is infallible. One who looks at the dark side of life is pessimist, and one who looks at the positive side of life is optimist. A speech delivered without previous preparation is extempore. One who walks on foot is pedestrian. Contrary to law, ill is illegal. Incapable of being corrected is incorrigible. One who is present everywhere, omnipresent, we have done it. One who is all powerful is omnipotent. One who cannot read or write is illiterate. A letter whose writer is unknown is anonymous. A person without means is pauper. A remedy for all ills is panacea. Animal with 4 feet is quadruped, we have done it. Medical examination is postmortem again. You can see that these words are repeated in all the exercises, meaning that these are very important. One who collects stamps is philatelist. One who is unable to pay his debt is bankrupt. One who lends money to high interest is usurer. In Merchant of Venice, Antonio calls Shylock as a usurer. So one who lends money on high interest. That which is no longer in use is obsolete. One who always thinks of one's own interest is selfish. The process of compromise between the parties in a criminal case is compounding. A person who conceals himself from the process of arrest is absconding. An agreement or promise to do or not to do a particular thing is covenant. A person who has been convicted of violation of the criminal laws is criminal. A decree issued by the court before pronouncement of the judgment is preliminary decree. A person who brings a legal action against somebody is a suit or litigation. Act as a judge in a court, tribunal, or a contest is umpire. Stop proceedings in the court means to adjourn. Declare officially or decide by law is decision. Accuse or charge somebody officially or by law for the crime or offense is allegation. Writings which cannot be read is illegible. One who always looks at the dark and depressing side of things is pessimist. One who does not believe in God is atheist. Work for which no salary is paid is honorary. A person charged with an offense is accused. One who lends money at a very high rate of interest is usurer. Having more than one husband at a time is polyandry. Killing one father, patricide. Medical examination is postmortem. Life history of a person written by another person is biography. And when a person writes the life history by himself, it is autobiography. So I hope this list of exercises will help you in understanding and preparing for your competitive exams. And the part which is asked from the one word substitution, you will be helped as per that part. So keep studying. Bye bye for now.